Hey guys, today we're looking at a 2015 Harley Davidson Street Bob, and this is in amber whiskey. Got these really nice spoked wheels, taller blacked out bars, really cool intake, and that goes along with the blacked out Vance & Hines exhaust, and it sounds great. Really beautiful bike. Has the Mustang seat on it and it's really comfortable. And this is all on top of that 103 cubic inch engine. We also have a couple little details like the rider pegs and shift lever. We've got that Willie G skull on there. And miles are low. We're at 5,783. And 2015 Harley Street Bob. Come check it out. We are open 6 days a week for test rides.